Hello, this is a video of my 2010 Manco Minibike. It's a Thunderbird model. Just wanted to do a quick walk around. It has the dual shocks, pretty much new tires. It's been ridden like a handful of times just around the street. And I want to go ahead and start it up. A couple switches you have to switch there, switch down here, and pull start it. It has the 4 horsepower Subaru motor. You got the twist throttle right here. Here it run. It has a chain guard, and that's the sound you hear. But the motor sounds very smooth. Pretty much brand new. All the maintenance has been done on it. It has a kickstand down there. It's a lot of fun to drive. Go ahead and email me if you're interested. And thank you, and I'm sure the new owner will enjoy it.